For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a layered flower. I'm starting off with my nails polished Tutu Thrill from Sinful Colors, and I'm going to be using a pink from Born Pretty called Cosmos Bouquet. The stamping plate I'm using is GP stamping number 44, and I'm going to stamp the flower right on the side of my nail. For the leaves, I'm going to be using Ariel Mermaid from Born Pretty. For the outline of our flower, I'm using Chocolate from Mundo de Unas. To stamp the dots in the center of our flower, I'm using Yellow from Mundo de Unas. I'm going to use that same color and same image to stamp some dots on the top of our flower. Finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.